I'm gonna show you the greatness of my power and expertise. You're gonna see excellentness because I am also great. I'm gonna make it all the way to the top, no matter if I even have to push all the ones off. I am going straight up, and you are not gonna be able to stop me now because I am so awesome. And I'm not a clown, so I guess I'm here to entertain you the best way I could do. Please relax and enjoy my video. Please have some, Brody. I don't know the last.
I wonder what Dalton's up to.
Michael, is that you?
Hey, what's up, Dalton?
Hey, dude, how you been?
Good, how about yourself?
You know, the usual. It's like, mostly, oh my gosh. Look at this.
What's
always
wrong?
Wobbly. It's always wobbly, dude. It's like, I can't get a break. Honestly, last night, here I am, trying to do work down here. As you can see, I have everything set up down here, and I don't even know how this stuff is happening. It's like, look, there's coat hangers on the ground. I don't know, dude. And what's with the video camera, really?
It's just a new thing I got going on.
A new thing you got going on. Well, I mean...
Why, I can't record you?
I mean, you're expecting me to give you entertainment, like pulling it out my ass, in other words. But I got something for you. I'll give you entertainment, actually, because I know what you want. I know what people who are viewing this want, from most likely YouTube, right? Yeah, most likely YouTube. They want to see anger. They want anger, and
You don't seem like yourself lately. You okay?
man, I'm just thinking, like, I'm trying to entertain you the best way I can possibly entertain you. And that's like pulling something. I'm basically throwing my emotions and jumbling up for no reason. So like I'm having all these extra emotions to deal with, and
Someone's having a bad day.
I'm having a bad day, huh? Well, that's okay. That's okay, because there's always a way to fix a bad day. I tell you, there's always a way. And when there's a way, I got a will. Here, I'll give you entertainment. You just follow me. Just be careful if you don't want to stand too close. Still got the camera on, right?
Yep.
Good.
Whoa, dude.
I got your entertainment. I told you I got your entertainment. Look at that, you got music. Hopefully I don't get copyrighted. How's it going, Edward? What's doing? You got your phone on. You want here to have here, Michael. Come. You mind standing in the store for me? Yeah, I'm giving you good footage now. You want good footage, right? Watch that handle on that microphone. That's what happens. You want good footage, you'll find it here. Now look at this. Look. You know what, just stop.
Hey, how you been since the last 3 days I've seen you?
Oh, hey there. Well, it's gonna take some more time, but other than that,
What you making?
oh, well, what's it look like I'm making here?
Some type of death contraption.
No, it's not. No death contraption. No, it's a pool stick. I guess. I feel like for some reason I've seen this thing around here, and well, I felt like finishing it.